How to add friends on Plex. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add friends on Plex. For this, launch open the Plex application on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the Find Friends option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on this option, here you get to search your friends by name, location, or interest. Go ahead and type in either their name, location, or interest. Now you will find different Plex users over here. If you want to add friends, you want to simply tap on the add option. You can do that for multiple friends. Now the friend request will be successfully sent. If they accept your friend request, you will be friends on Plex, and this is how you add friends on Plex. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.